Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back again guys with another reaction video, and I believe we're back again to Parody's reaction video. And basically this parody video is Cardi B asks Beyonce for mother advice.
I'm not really scared to be a mother. Ain't there a video on how to do this? Not since I checked last, but just breathe, baby. We're gonna get through this together. How much this baby gonna cost me? Can I drop him or her off at your house after a couple months, you know what I mean? Finish my career, come back in a few years? Actually, it don't work like that. And if it's a girl, I'm pretty sure she gonna pop out the pussy twerking. Cardi, I could babysit for you.
Ooh.
Duh, I have this mother shit on lock already. It's really not that hard. Yeah, okay, right. Got it. Thanks. Sure. Yeah, okay, Cardi, first off, you need to hang with people on the B list or better. My friends, like on the Z list, you know what I mean? They can barely get on a good behavior list in jail. Well, you're gonna have to change shit up. You about to start a family. For the rest of my pregnancy, I'm not doing no interviews. I'm going out in disguise. Just wait till I find my Mr. Potato Head glasses. I could definitely help you with that. The world barely got to see my baby's pinky toe, and yes, I actually did have my first child. We already knew you was pregnant. Did you even confirm the father? That is classified information. If you want a story deal, you're gonna have to talk to Kris and Jenner Associates. How is Kim and Kanye doing over there on the set of Get Out? The brain transfer went fine. Why is everyone still asking? And their phone lines still work. Kylie, our phone lines are only open to real friends and family. Question. Where the hell is my child? I think I left her with you or mom last. Oh shit, I think she's in the car. But you really need to hang out with Rainstorm more. I mean, you've already missed her first day in full makeup. Y'all are so messed up if you're not putting Fenty or MAC on that child. I'm pretty sure the baby's first steps are gonna be in heels. You know what, Cardi, I'm here to show you how to be a mother. You other hoes can 1-2 step. Hey, CC, what's up, boo? You know, I really just want your help, like, with my body, cause you got that mannequin body, you know what I'm saying? Oh, bitch, I got you, girl. All you had to do is ask, cause you sit here listening to these attention whores. You gonna be fucked up. Girl, I'ma teach you the pregnant moonwalk. It's good for your legs and shit, and have you dancing on some mountains. Gotta keep that back nice and tight. Shit, a baby ain't never stopped me, bitch. I'ma get my motherfucking life one way or the other. And then I'ma show you the pregnant crip walk. You gotta do this when the baby start kicking. You kick right back at his ass. Girl, you listen to me. I will show you how to keep onset, offset it off. Whatever that black son of a bitch name is. Speaking of real friends, questions here. Don't you have to be a virgin to save it for marriage? Chloe said that shit best. All that shit was for a fake ass look. I know how to keep my damn goodies in a jar, okay? Cause we know when you was underage, bitch, you was letting the tiger play in your kitty box.
Ooh.
Okay, all y'all can show Cardi how to pose later. I'm here to show her how to be a mom. The only advice you could give is keep your man around no matter what he does. Better than trying to trap a man through hypnosis. I'm the youngest mom here. This is a 25 and under conversation. My daughter has more respect as a mother. You know, all this is making me kind of nervous. Like I'm starting to have second thoughts and shit. I don't know. Don't I have to like the 7th month to have an abortion?
Janet, shady Janet.
You better tell her, Mama Janet, you can't fuck with me. Hey, what's poppin' though, mommy? What's good? What's up? How you doing? Now, I know I wore green, but I prefer Earl Grey. Bitch, what's tea? Oh, nothing. You know, we just talking, you know, shooting the shit. You look good, though, girl. What's up? Show me how to do three-way. I'm trying to call bullshit. I think if you have any questions about motherhood, here's my fucking number. I'm a Jackson. I'm at the top of the damn food chain.
Yes.
Well, I'm a legend, so bitch, fuck you. Go to hell. You ride around the hood talking about free meat. Who watching them babies? Huh? They riding with you. That's child endangerment. Mama Janet, when did you and Cardi B air mattress? We still sleeping on you. Now, when I need somebody to question me, I will text you to let you know you can never. I never really got into Janet. Now, I know the mattress hung up on my back. Janet, Kanye, and I... Yo, that's some gangsta ass shit. Show me how you do that from over there. You can thank me later. They've been blocked and deleted. Now, Mama, Auntie Janet, you have not been over to see Lil Baby Future or Sienna. How the hell are you supposed to be their godmother and you don't come and visit? I'm on the way, girl. For another 18 years. Lil Janet, who the hell was you calling a bitch? That's the only thing I want to know.
Hey, yo, B, this what you called me here for? Come on, babe, we gotta get on the road.
I was gonna get Mama, but she watching the kids right now. We got date night, so I want a man to check her. Go ahead, baby. The thief say, Jay-She, please do not run up, or I will give you a reason to be on the run, and him a reason to be on the run too. Huh?
Bitch. I love that. I love that.
Huh? What you say? Huh?
Beyonce, come on, tone that shit down. You acting worse than your daughter.
Ooh.
Fuck that bitch. Child services are on the way if you can't control your bitch. Yo, can we finish this conversation later after
The
the baby
shade.
shower? Y'all stressing me out. I need a drink. I can drink while I'm pregnant, right? It just has to be clear liquor. No, it has to be clear liquor. You have to mix it with something sweet so the baby can't taste it.
Oh my god. I can't. Shady Janet, I love it. I love it. I'm a big Beyonce fan. I don't know about other fans, but nothing take offense to it. It's joke. I do see some people, I'm taking offense. It's not that serious. But I do love me some Shady Janet. I was able to go to Janet concert 2.5 years ago, I believe, when she was here in South Florida. My friend brought me to her concert, and trust me, believe me, it was a good show. She put on a show. I just don't know her music, but she put on a very good show. The entrance was amazing. What? When I said that entrance got me up when she started her concert, it got me up. I was like, bitch. And then after that, a year and a half later, I went to Beyonce concert. I was like, bitch. I love it. So this was a video from Parody's channel. Cardi B asked Beyonce for mother advice. I just love the fact when Janet comes, she just hang up, delete, and block people. I live for it. Thanks to the ones who recommend and directed this. I really do appreciate it. I do love me a good comedy skit. The shade, I love it. I live for it. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.